I call brownie. Check out that beauty. Now that's a specimen. Oh, that's a nice fly agera. It's already got the flies on it. Hell yeah. Cool. I'll probably just leave that one there. I've got enough of them. Cool. Later. Oh my god, it's here. I told you guys. This is the stump of mushrooms. Look at that nasty explosion. That stuff just explodes from it. And this is what's cool about this fungus right here, if I'm not mistaken. It glows in the dark. One of these do that grow around this thing grow in the dark. And I think that's the one, and there's so much of it that this thing right here at nighttime, if you have ultraviolet light, I think you need, or night goggles, just explodes. And that's a different fungus right there. But this beta carotene or whatever they're feeding off of, ain't that something? Yeah, man. A fungus person would love this monstrosity. And fly agera grow around it, and all sorts of other mushrooms. Right on, guys. And morels. So whatever's going on here, something special with fungus is in that trunk. Right on, guys. Later.